Alright guys, ready for shape 4 in our 3D dictionary challenge. This ends it. Hey, if you can draw these four shapes. So far we've had cone, cylinder, and a cube. The next one coming at you right now. Remember, ruler, because you're going to draw maybe straight lines. Well, not for this one. I'm going to show you a technique. We're going to do some curves here. But you need your pencil, and you need your handy 3D dictionary. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're on the 4th shape right now. If you have not seen the other videos, make sure to click on those. Here we go. This is my big board right here. Magic marker. Here we go. We're about to do art. Here's the top of my page right here. I want you to go down a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and put a dot right there. Perfect. Next, what I want you to do, I'm going to focus on the left-hand side. I want you to go about midway down on your page. Just put a big dot right there. Doesn't have to be as big as my dots, but hey, you need to be able to still see your dot. If we did it to the left, let's go ahead and do it to the right. Straight over. Right there. Nice big dot. Now, I've got one at the top. If I did it to the top, most shapes are symmetrical, meaning, well, shapes are symmetrical, meaning even on all sides. If I did it to the top, I'm going to do it to the bottom. Here we go. Straight down. Alright, so I've got 4 dots in this 3D shape. Here we go. From left to right. All we're going to do, remember I said no rulers. I'm going to just, remember you're going to sketch lightly. All we're going to do is, we worked with those rainbows and smiley faces. We're going to use those again. From left to right, all we're going to do is kind of do a little rainbow. Just like that. Perfect, cool, simple, easy. Next, just connect the dots, follow along. Next, we're going to do another kind of rainbow, but it's going to go down. A little bit like that. And it's okay, I kind of missed the mark. Let's see. There we go. It looks pretty good. Alright, here's what we're going to do. Now we're going to work on our smiley face, large smiley face. From left to right. Okay, perfect. Now, perfect. So what do you have here? Well, yeah, you're right. We've got a circle. But what's a 3D circle? A sphere. You're right. Now, I'm concluding with this shape because I'm going to tell you, hey, tune into our Sketching 101 program as I take you through the 3D shape dictionary, and we're going to shade our shapes and put depth to them. So guys, make sure, tune in again to Project Sketch as we do some more fun with shading.